stock market is more than numbers or charts. It is a living system, capturing human confidence, entrepreneurial ambition, and collective belief in the future. Through it, ordinary investors have witnessed modest capital transform into meaningful wealth. Companies have scaled from small operations to global enterprises, and innovation has found the funding to reshape entire industries. Markets reward patience and discipline more than impulsiveness. Those who study patterns, understand the forces at play, and act with calculated consistency often see returns over time, not instantly, but meaningfully. Yet every opportunity comes paired with risk. Prices fluctuate, fortunes rise and fall, and uncertainty is the constant companion of anyone who participates. This is the story of opportunity and challenge, of a business navigating the dynamic currents of modern markets and of investors watching closely as events unfold. In 2026, the global economy is interconnected, digital, and fast-moving. Industries that once relied solely on physical stores now operate across screens, linking buyers and sellers around the world in real time. Among these, e-commerce marketplaces for niche collectibles, art, and cultural products have emerged as uniquely engaging sectors. Companies in this field operate platforms that enable listing, trading, marketing, and technical support. Their operations influence metropolitan hubs such as Hong Kong, Shanghai, and other financial centers, while serving collectors, enthusiasts, and institutions worldwide. The impact is significant. Access to cultural and artistic assets is no longer limited to a local audience. These marketplaces allow digital participation on a global scale. With services spanning logistics, marketing, and platform management, companies in this sector create ecosystems that not only facilitate transactions, but also foster trust among buyers and sellers. Investors pay attention, observing how these niche markets respond to demand, innovation, and operational strategy. At the center of this narrative is a company operating a digital marketplace for collectibles, artwork, and cultural goods. Its revenue comes primarily from listing fees, transaction fees, and specialized service offerings, including marketing support and technical assistance for collectors and traders. The company has faced significant operational challenges in recent years. Investigations involving major stakeholders disrupted certain financial processes, affecting customer confidence and platform activity. Despite these pressures, the company maintained substantial cash reserves, providing a buffer to sustain operations and explore new opportunities, including digital innovations like blockchain systems for asset verification and trading. Recent developments included special dividends paid to shareholders, an unusual move for a firm navigating operational pressures, signaling strategic capital management and resilience. While the market monitored these developments, the company's identity remained hidden, allowing its story to unfold against the backdrop of wider market dynamics, sector growth, and investor sentiment. Now, the company at the center of this story is revealed. Oriental Culture Holding Ltd, traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker OCG. OCG operates a niche online marketplace connecting collectors and traders of artwork, collectibles, and cultural products. Its platform spans multiple regions, including Hong Kong and mainland China, providing services that combine transaction facilitation, marketing, logistics, and technical support. As of mid-January 2026, OCG shares are trading at approximately $1.95 USD per share, with notable intraday volatility, a high near $3.91 USDs and a low around $1.65 USD. This fluctuation reflects the company's operational shifts, market perception, and the inherent dynamics of a microcap digital marketplace. StockAnalysis.com. Investors follow OCG closely, not because it is a household name, but because it represents a unique intersection of niche digital commerce, cultural assets, and market resilience. Despite past revenue compression and operational challenges, the company's cash reserves provide flexibility, allowing strategic pivots and continued engagement in its specialized marketplace. The stock's recent price movement illustrates the delicate balance of risk and opportunity and highlights how market forces interact with operational realities in a small but compelling NASDAQ-listed company. History and growth. Founded to create a digital platform for collectibles and artwork, OCG initially gained attention by enabling access to traditionally niche markets. Its services included listing facilitation, marketing, storage, and technical maintenance, a complete ecosystem for collectors and traders. Financial performance. OCG has experienced turbulent financial periods. Its revenues dropped from roughly $0.4 million in early 2024 to $0.1 million in early 2025, a decline exceeding 60%. Operational losses widened due to decreased customer activity and platform utilization. GlobeNewsWire.com. Despite this, substantial cash reserves allowed OCG to continue operations and pursue new initiatives, including technology integration and blockchain-based systems for digital asset verification. Strategic moves. The company introduced leadership changes, streamlined governance, and authorized a special cash dividend in 2026, reinforcing capital management while maintaining shareholder confidence. Tipranks.com. Challenges and risks. OCG's challenges include regulatory scrutiny, thin trading volumes, operational volatility, and reliance on a niche market segment. These factors create both opportunities for informed participants and cautionary signals for the market. Looking ahead, OCG's path will be shaped by strategic capital deployment, leveraging cash reserves for platform upgrades or acquisitions, technology integration, blockchain, digital assets, and enhanced marketplace tools, market confidence, rebuilding trust among collectors and traders, macro trends, sector rotation, technology adoption, and global economic conditions. The outlook reflects tempered optimism, balancing the company's niche potential against operational and market realities. The story of Oriental Culture Holding Ltd illustrates the complexities of modern markets. Markets reward discipline and learning, not impulsiveness. Cash reserves and operational flexibility are critical in volatile conditions. Innovation and adaptation remain key to surviving and thriving. OCG's journey from niche marketplace to NASDAQ-listed entity demonstrates that markets are not just about price movements. They are about people, strategy, resilience, and the constant interplay of risk and opportunity. As investors, observers, or students of finance, the lesson is clear. Knowledge, patience, and context matter more than hype. Thank you for watching.